Sunday morning at La Creperie Verdes North.
Naghahanap ka ba ng restaurant na maagang nagbubukas? Hey cuties! Last Sunday nga ay pumunta kami ng pinsan ko sa La Creperie Verdes North para mag-breakfast. And they're open as early as 9 a.m. Nag-order yung pinsan ko ng corned beef with extra bacon and Americano naman para sa drink. Nothing special naman sa lasa ng corned beef, but their bacon is crispy. I usually order clubhouse sandwich and truffle mushroom and sausage pasta. Pero para maiba naman, I ordered their short ribs salpicao, and as usual, I ordered ice mocha for my drink. Their short ribs salpicao naman is maalat and lasang kaldereta yung sauce. And for their drinks, nothing really special naman. I usually order mango hazelnut crepe for dessert, but since busog na nga ako, next time na lang. Yun lang. Thank you.